Welcome to this online training module for the Youth Support Client Information System, abbreviated as YSCIS. The title of this module is Getting Started. The purpose of Getting Started is to get you familiar with the look and feel of YSCIS along with some of the key features. YSCIS is accessed by typing this URL into your internet browser. Once you have typed the YSCIS URL into your internet browser, the YSCIS landing page will appear. The Youth Support Client Information System is an online client management system to support service delivery for youth support services. YSCIS helps service outlets manage their youth support client information and activities. Over to the right is where you type your username and password. You have 4 attempts to log in. On the 5th unsuccessful attempt, you will be blocked for 1 hour, in which case contact the YSCIS coordinator for your service to unlock your account. When you log in for the first time, you will be asked to change your password. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, have at least 1 upper and 1 lowercase letter, and have at least 1 number. You will also be asked to update your security questions and email address. This will help identify you within the system and allow you to reset your password if you forget your current one. You'll be prompted to update these preferences each time you log in until you complete these items. Access to YSCIS is provided solely to authorised users. All access to YSCIS is logged and monitored by InfoExchange. The News and Alerts section contains the latest information regarding software releases and outages. If you require help using YSCIS, call the InfoExchange help desk on the number shown. If you have practice-related questions, click on this link, which will take you to the Youth Support Services website, where you can access the Youth Support Practice Guide, the Youth Wellbeing Common Assessment Tool, and frequently asked questions. Or send an email to cismailbox@communities.qld.gov.au. Feel free to pause this video so you can take note of the phone numbers and email addresses applicable. Now let's log in and start using YSCIS. When you have logged in, the home page will appear. Your service outlet name will be at the top of the screen at the left, where you see Youth Workgroup X. Your name will appear in the top right corner of the screen, where Adrian Board is currently showing. Your YSCIS user role is displayed in brackets. Just below your name is where you log out. If you don't use YSCIS for 1 hour, your session will time out and you'll need to log back in. YSCIS is structured around pages listed on the left, which are Home, Persons, Groups, Days, Reports, and Admin. Each page has tabs across the top of the screen, and these tabs will change depending on what page you're on. Below the pages on the left-hand side is the Recent list, which, as the name suggests, displays the last 10 person records you have accessed. The first tab on the home page is My List. This will show records where you have been allocated as the key worker. The next page is the Persons page, containing everything you need to search, view and manage client records. Ensuring each young person has only 1 record is very important. Duplicate records lead to errors and incorrect information. Having a single record allows the client's details to be up to date as possible, and also allows for services to be accurately allocated and accounted for. Before creating any new client records, you need to check that they don't already exist by first searching for them. Should you become aware of more than 1 record existing for a client, advise your YSCIS coordinator immediately. They'll be able to merge the person records to ensure the service for the young person is accurately maintained. You can search for a person via one of 3 options: via the Persons page using the Search tab, You can also search on any page using the family name search box in the bottom left of the screen, and on any page selecting from your recent list. I'm going to search for Bob Job via the Persons Page search tab. I could search using either or both the given name or the family name. I'm going to type Job in the family name and press Enter. Bob is showing up in the list, so I will click on him to view the details of his person record. Selecting a client takes you to the Persons Page Details tab. You can see this displays the key information about the young person, including their names and aliases, relationships, service type, contact information, and their key worker. Thank you for watching this YSCIS training module. There are a number of support options available for you. The YSCIS User Manual provides detailed instructions for using YSCIS to support service delivery for youth support services. This is a helpful reference and can be accessed by the link on the login page, taking you to the Department's Youth Support web page. Guidance for using features not specifically tailored for YSCIS is available via online help. If you experience any problems with YSCIS, please contact the Info Exchange support team by phone or email using the details on this slide. If you have a practice-related query, please contact the Youth Support Program by email at cismailbox@communities.qld.gov.au. Thank you.